welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to showcase Modulo Yuji. This guy is like the strongest in the Modulo series, surpassing Gojo. Like, I'm showcase his abilities and his awakening. His awakening doesn't have any moves, so please don't be disappointed. This is his M1s. Yeah, Black Flash ability. By the way, this is the special. The first move is multiple block flashes. It is not really multiple, just only one block flash. But it is kinda cool. Yeah. Does many damage and the cooldown of 19 seconds. Yeah, really. The second move is ordinary cool. The same cooldown as multiple black flashes. 19 seconds only. The third is the strongest of today. I literally forgot how this move works. So, you do the normal like version of this, and suddenly you black flash them, and you move forward to them already. And the cooldown of only 20 seconds. Wait, no, I think 19 or 20. The fourth is ordinary blood manipulation. It has the cooldown of 30 seconds. It's really right. Yeah, the special also has a finisher, and the special only has 2 seconds of cooldown, and doesn't waste any item. This is the way. Yeah, it's kinda not uncool, but hopefully I'll like it. See ya. And by the way, there is also yeah, I'm a like give the tutorial in 100 likes. Yes, and 15 subscribers. Yeah,